My opinion on Proton definitely has changed. It has improved a lot, and we can see how Geely has come in, pumped in technology, resources, money, and also the knowledge, especially to our local talents and the guys who's at the factory working things out and producing fine and great products for consumers on the road. It is definitely a higher quality process, and the market and the standard that they need to do it, and I'm very sure they will maintain that and also improve as per the time and as per when technology comes in and changes and upgrade. Definitely impressed on the job sharing between Geely and also Proton, because we can see how some of them who explaining these particular products when we medias had the opportunity to go into the production line. They know what they are doing. This is definitely has set the benchmark, especially in Malaysia, and I'm glad it is starting by Proton itself.